How to buy Veritas protocol token. So this token came under the symbol of VPT. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going on by this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on CoinMarketCap. To be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. Just click here to copy the token address. As you can see, this token address is under the base A section. Now open your Base Gateway. For that, go to your wallet and select the base as a network. From here, click on this plus icon and paste the token address in the search bar. Click on this plus icon to add this token to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and find your token here. As you can see, now after you find it, you can just click on it. As you can see, now click on swap, switch from here, and from the top select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDC, and here you can type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive that token, as you can see here, and here you can click on swap and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy VPT token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.